Looking for an easy shortcut to relocate to Canada this year? What if I told you there's a way to skip the language tests, age limits, and degree requirements, worldwide accessibility, and no need for a degree? Plus, you get a whopping 18,000 Canadian dollars scholarship after completing your health-related course in Nova Scotia, Canada. And that's not all. You're practically guaranteed a job in your field, and after 3 years of living in the province, you can apply for permanent residency and become Canadian citizens. Is the news you've been waiting for, and I'm here to guide you through every step. So, grab a seat and let's embark on this incredible journey together. But before we dive into the application process, if you're new here, welcome to Easy Work Abroad. Thank you for your incredible support. If you're yearning to fulfill your migration dreams, this channel is your ultimate guide. If you are not subscribed to our channel, you need to subscribe now to our latest immigration updates. Firstly, I want to tell you guys something: no one has been trained to become a visa agent. Please stop believing in visa agents. The internet is available for you to check. If something is true or false, no one needs to ask you to pay money to them. In order to render you a service you can do by yourself. I'm so excited to share this opportunity with you today. After watching this video, if you don't have a computer handy, sprint to the nearest internet cafe and get your application rolling. This fully funded scholarship opportunity is like a shooting star. It won't last forever. So, remember, knowledge is power. Seize this opportunity. Now, let's dive into the juicy details. There's an Oxford International College, Halifax, Nova Scotia, offering health-related courses and fully funded scholarships. While they do have campuses in Vancouver and Ontario, my strong recommendation is to kickstart your journey in Halifax. Why, you ask? Well, Vancouver and Ontario are renowned for their all-time high living costs. If you're moving abroad, starting in Nova Scotia, where the cost of living is far more reasonable, just makes good financial sense. Plus, Nova Scotia is filled with job opportunities. So, if you're intrigued by what you've heard so far, fret not. I'll walk you through the application process step by step. Before we venture further into this amazing opportunity, if you're finding this video helpful, if you believe in the power of easy work abroad, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, join our community. Join now by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. We're here to be your guiding star in the world of migration. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and tackle this application process together. The college you're aiming for is Oxford International College, Canada. To kickstart the process, pop open your web browser and type in Oxford International College, Canada. Once the search results pop up, look for the college's website and give it a click. On their website, you'll spot a gleaming Apply Now button at the top. Go ahead and click on it. As you follow these steps, if you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to lend a helping hand on your journey to Canada. Also, for convenience, I added the direct to this website inside the description below. Check out the link inside the description and we land on the same page. Now, you'll notice that you have a menu of program options. For this scholarship, we'll go with diploma programs. Click on that. By the way, if you're finding this step-by-step guide as delightful, give it a thumbs up. Next, you'll be prompted to provide your personal information, including your name, date of birth, gender, nationality, and more. Fill in these details with utmost accuracy. Accuracy is the name of the game when it comes to your personal information. Take your time and double-check everything to ensure a smooth application process. You'll also need to supply your passport details, including your passport number and its expiration date. While you're in the groove of entering your personal details, don't forget to hit the like button if you're finding this information useful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section below. Next up, it's time to share your contact information, including your address, phone number, and email address. Ensure this information is up to date and accurate. When it comes to your guardian's information, fill it out as applicable. If you're sponsoring yourself, select myself. Honesty is key, so provide truthful information. Honesty is the best policy when it comes to your application. Whether you're sponsoring yourself, have family support, or have government backing, accurately represent your situation. Now, let's select your preferred college location. For this golden opportunity, we're setting our sights on Halifax, Nova Scotia, for all the reasons I mentioned earlier. Choosing the right college location is crucial. Halifax, Nova Scotia, offers an affordable starting point, so make that your destination. You'll also need to specify the type, of course, you're interested in and the number of terms you want to enroll in. Choose wisely, and remember that you can adjust your start date. Carefully consider your course and term choices. If you're unsure, take your time to research and make an informed decision that aligns with your goals. Now, let's talk about language proficiency requirements. Here's the good news. For this program, you can select studied in the English language and come from an English-speaking country. This is a crucial step. If you meet the language proficiency exemption criteria, make sure to select the right option to simplify your application. It's time to upload essential documents like your passport, English language qualification, if applicable, and your lovely face. Preparation is key. Ensure your documents are well scanned and ready for upload before diving into the application. In the Any Other Supporting Documents section, you can go the extra mile by attaching your CV and crafting a compelling personal statement. Your CV and personal statement can set you apart from other applicants. Take your time to create a powerful narrative about your motivation to study in Canada. Complete the remaining sections of the application, ensuring you read and understood the terms and conditions. Before submitting, double-check your application to avoid any mistakes or missing details. A thorough review can make all the difference. You did it. You've successfully navigated the application process for the Oxford International College Canada Scholarship. Now, remember, this opportunity is golden, so apply ASAP. Thank you for joining me on this journey to fulfill your Canadian dream. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. And hey, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing it with others, and hitting that subscribe button. We're here to be your guiding star on the path to migration success. Your dreams are within reach, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Stay tuned for more updates and videos that will empower you to achieve your migration goals. Thank you for your time, your support, and your commitment to making your dreams come true. Until next time, take care, and may your journey be filled with success. Goodbye.